Hey everybody, here's our second unboxing of the night. We've got Lichen and Lace, a huge box arrived from New Brunswick. Many colors of the one-ply superwash fingering. We've got Calm Waters, Huckleberry. We have Pewter and Teal Tide. We have, new to us, Evergreen and Soot. We have Peony, Garland and Sugar Plum, one of my favorites. We have Pressed Flowers, Faded Rose. So that was all one-ply superwash merino fingering. And we have Coral, Citron. We have Shrub and Ginger Snap. This is definitely the most one-ply we've ever gotten. And we have Peony and Amber, which are both beautiful. I love the amber. And Lilac, Clover. And last but not least in the one-ply, Wildflowers and Woods. And then the last but not least is the 80/20 sock. So we've got Calm Waters, we've got Wildflowers, we've got Woods, we've got Blue Lagoon, Sugar Plum, and Faded Rose. So yeah, come on down. We are going to put it out and it will be ready for purchase tomorrow, Saturday. See you soon.